Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to 11th standard business maths class. The last class we have discussed mathematical induction. In this class, we are also going to see about mathematical induction. Exercise 2.5, fifth question. Okay. The question is 3 power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 8 for all small n belongs to capital N. Okay. The solution, first assume the given statement equal to P of n. Okay. So let P of n equal to 3 power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 8. Okay. The next one, put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. So P of 1 equal to 3 power 2 into n replacing now 1 minus 1, which is equal to 3 power 2 ones are 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 power 2 is 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So P of 1 is equal to 8. This is the 8 is divisible by 8. Okay. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Have you understood? This is the first step. Next, assume that P of k is true for all n belongs to capital N. Okay. So put n is equal to k. Okay. So P of k equal to 3 power 2k minus 1 is divisible by 8. This is our assumption. Okay. So 3 power 2k minus 1 equal to 8c. This is equal to in multiples of 8. Okay. The all multiples of 8 values are divisible by 8. Here c is the constant. Okay. Next, 3 power 2k equal to 8c plus 1. Okay. This is number 1. Okay. The kth value. 3 power 2k equal to 8c plus 1. This is the first assumption. Okay. Next, prove that P of k plus 1 is true for all small n belongs to capital N. Okay. So put n is equal to k plus 1. Okay. So P of k plus 1 equal to 3 power 2 into k value is now k plus 1 minus 1 is divisible by 8. Okay. This is equal to 3 power, so 2 multiplying inside 2 into k, 2k plus 2 ones are 2 minus 1. Okay. Which is equal to 3 power 2k into 3 power 2. Using the power rule, 3 power 2k plus 2 can be write 3 power 2k into 3 power 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 power 2k value is this. Okay. From the 1, 3 power 2k is equal to 8c plus 1. Okay. So 8c plus 1 into 3 power 2 is 9 minus 1. Okay. 9 multiplying inside, 9 8s are 72c plus 1 9s are 9 minus 1. Okay. So 72c plus 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay. It is equal to 8 is the common, taking it outside, remaining is 9c. So 9 8s are 72 plus 1. Okay. And multiples of 8 is divisible by 8. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. Okay. Therefore, P of n is true for all small n belongs to capital N. Have you understood? Okay. Next, sixth question. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b for all small n belongs to capital N. solution. Okay, first assumption is P of n. So let P of n equal to a power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b. Okay, this is the assumption. Okay, next put n is equal to 1. So P of 1 equal to a power 1 minus b power 1, which is equal to a power 1 is a minus b power 1 is b, is divisible by a minus b. Is it or not? A minus b is divisible by a minus b. Okay, so P of 1 is true. Okay, next put n is equal to k. Assume P of k is true for all n belongs to capital N. This is our assumption. Okay, so P of k equal to a power k minus b power k is divisible by a minus b. Okay, this is our assumption. This can be right. A power k minus b power k equal to some constant, a minus b into some constant. Here c is the constant. Multiples of a minus b is definitely divisible by a minus b. Okay, so a power k minus b power k equal to a minus b into c. Okay, this is number 1. Okay, next prove that P of k plus 1 is true for all n belongs to capital N. Okay, so P of k plus 1 equal to a power k plus 1 minus b power k plus 1 is divisible by a minus b. Okay, so this can be right. A power k plus 1, here add and subtract a power k into b. Okay, so plus a power k into b minus a power k into b, then minus b power k plus 1. Okay, here add and subtract a power k into b. Okay, it is equal to, here compare first and third term. First and third term, a power k is the common, so taking outside, remaining is a power 1. So a power 1 is a minus b. Then here b is the common term, so taking outside b. Okay, taking outside the b value, then a power k minus here b power k, cos b power 1 is b, already taking outside. Okay, a power k into a minus b plus b into a power k minus b power k. From 1, a power k minus b power k equal to a minus b into c. Okay, using this condition, a power k minus b power k equal to a minus b into c. Okay, by 1. Okay, this is equal to a minus b is common for both the terms, so a minus b into a power k plus b into c, bc. Okay, the product of a minus b is definitely divisible by a minus b, so is divisible by a minus b. Is it or not? Okay, therefore P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. Okay, therefore P of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. Have you understood? Okay, dear students, today's homework, book page number 40 and 41, example 2.37 and 2.38, exercise 2.5, question number 7, 8 and 9. Okay, using the mathematical induction procedure to solve the sum. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.